This is how I make my burger patties. I use walnut pulp left over from the milk and vegan cheese, which acts as a binder. Here is the garbanzo flour and nutritional yeast, which I did not take a picture of. This is the flaxseed meal, and also buckwheat flour was added as well. You really do not need moisture because moisture from the walnut pulp helps it come together. This is black garlic from Mexico, ground ginger. Then you can start to add all of your other spices, the red chili powder, taco seasoning, salt. There's vegan bouillon in there. Then I start smashing everything together, mixing everything up. And I do this a lot so that it can really, really all mix up together. Then I added some, I think that's dried parsley or dried basil. I don't know which one, dried parsley maybe. Then I go ahead and roll and make my patties just like I used to do that ground turkey meat. Throw it on the stove, and you want to cook one side until you start to see it brown all over. Then you definitely want to flip. That is avocado oil that I put in there, but whatever, carcinogen. And this is how it looks when you open it up. Oh my gosh, like look at the cheese. You get a cheesy patty. So this is 2 days later. I store everything in the fridge, and they really do get better with as the days go by. I make my little lettuce wraps, and I warm them up, and then I'm adding the vegan barbecue sauce that I got from Sprouts. I really, really love this. I don't normally buy condiments, but I was like staring at barbecue sauces for like 20 minutes in the store. And I found this one, and I'm very, very happy with it because I have a lot of sensitivities and I have to read a lot of ingredients. So this one's pretty cool. And that's my meal. So continue to experiment, cook all your own food. There's definitely a lot of options out there.